Have you ever wondered what happens in those thrilling stock exchanges you see in movies? Or how regular people just like you are building wealth by investing in the stock market? Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to demystify the stock market and give you the tools to get started. Whether you're saving for a dream home, planning for retirement, or just want to make your money work harder, understanding the stock market is the first step. And trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. Let's start with the basics. The stock market is like a massive marketplace where people buy and sell ownership shares of companies known as stocks. Think of it this way. When you own a stock, you own a small piece of that company. When a company does well, like launching a popular product or increasing its profits, its stock value usually goes up. That means the value of your investment increases too. And the best part? You don't need to be a billionaire to get started. Even small investments can grow significantly over time. Here's a fact that might surprise you. If you keep your money in a savings account, it's actually losing value over time due to inflation. So what's the solution? Investing in assets that grow faster than inflation. And that's where the stock market comes in. Historically, the stock market has provided higher returns than most other types of investments. It's a proven way to build long-term wealth. Just like you use cash to buy groceries, investors use money to buy stocks. But instead of heading to a physical market, you'll use a brokerage platform, an app or website where all the trading happens. When you buy a stock, you're essentially betting on that company's future success. And when you sell, you're hoping to make a profit if the stock's price has increased. Ready to dive in? Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. 1. Set your goals. Are you saving for a big purchase, retirement, or just looking to grow your wealth? Your goals will guide your investment strategy. 2. Choose a brokerage platform. Popular platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and E-Trade make it easy for beginners to start. 3. Research stocks. Look for companies you understand and believe in. Don't worry if this sounds daunting. We'll cover this in future videos. 4. Start small. Begin with a small amount you're comfortable investing. Even $50 can get you started. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Here are 3 rookie mistakes to avoid. 1. Panic selling. Markets go up and down. That's normal. Don't sell in a panic when prices drop. 2. Chasing trends. Just because everyone's talking about a stock doesn't mean it's a good buy. 3. Not diversifying. Putting all your money into one stock is risky. Spread your investments across different industries. See? Trading doesn't have to be stressful. It's about making informed choices and staying consistent without losing your sense of humor. Investing is like planting a tree. It takes time, patience, and care. But over the years, your investments can grow into something incredible. The stock market isn't just for the rich or the experts, it's for you. All it takes is a little knowledge, the right tools, and the courage to begin. So what are you waiting for? Start small, dream big, and take control of your financial future today.